In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your display resolution on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Windows search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and select that. On the left panel, select system. And on the right side, select display. And then on the right side underneath scale and layout, scroll down underneath display resolution, adjust the resolution to fit your connected display, click the drop down and then select your preferred display resolution here. And then that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.